Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing a pretty cool Seiko, the SPB105. Again, the number SPB105, and this is part of the Seiko Prospex luxury collection. So it's going to be nice to check out this. They've made a couple different models of this watch with different colors, and let's see there. Oh man, that's really nice. It's a beautiful green dial, and it's got gold tone accents around the markers. Really cool. Here you go. So as I was saying, this is part of the Seiko luxury Prospex series, and it's a modern reimagining of the Seiko 1968 diver's watch, and that one came to rave reviews when they reissued it, and it's nice that they're using that same head and case style and reinterpreting it with these different dial selections. This watch is of course an automatic watch. It's 23 joules, and it is a caliber 6R15, and the Seiko 6R15 caliber has about a 50-hour power reserve, and these watches are a little more expensive than your standard Seiko Prospex dives, but they've got a lot more features, like that nicer movement, the 6R movement. And another great part about it is that it has a sapphire crystal, and it's got anti-reflective coating on it. So when you look at the different angles I'm showing here on this watch, you can see the green dial is a really deep green dial. It's a really rich and a beautiful green. The other different thing is the gold tone accents with the hands and the markers. Seiko has done this before successfully with the Grand Seiko product. And here you can see on my wrist, I have about a 7.5 inch wrist, and the case size of this watch is 44 millimeters. You can see it's a good size watch. It looks a little bit on the larger size, but because it's Seiko and the way they designed the head of the watch, it really feels like a smaller watch. And the stainless steel has super hard coating on it, and here we can see the beautiful lume of the watch. Lights up nice. And I'd like to take the time to thank everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good one. Thank you.